Good morning, y'all. I am going to share with y'all today a recipe for Nana's Blueberry Muffins. Now, this has been in our wheelhouse for so long, for so many years. I can't remember who gave it to me, whose Nana gave it to me. All right, so is this come from one of our cookbooks, or is it just been on the website?
It's on our website. We had somebody submitted it to us years ago, and we used the recipe.
Oh, okay. And the reason why we're doing this is because
it is literally one of our highest rated recipes, and it's extremely simple.
Okay.
And it's the season where people are doing things for their kids, and the grabs and goes, and this is a good grab and go. Back to school.
Back to school, yes.
Plus, who doesn't like a good blueberry muffin?
I love a good blueberry muffin, but I have to say I now use the recipe for blueberry muffins that is in Paula Deen's Southern Bacon book. It is so wonderful. It has an almond, a strudel topping on them, and it's wonderful. But then it's hard to beat just a standard, homemade grandma's blueberry muffin. So that's what we're gonna do. And I've always been under the assumption, y'all, that you don't ever have to use an electric mixer when you're making muffins, because you just are supposed to stir it together until the dry ingredients have all been moist. But on Nana's, she said to beat your butter and your sugar together until creamy, a light creamy color. So that's what I'm gonna do. I've got 1 stick of butter and 1 1/4 cups of sugar.
Oh, that has a little bit of salt in it, and I did not know.
Yeah, I hadn't gotten that far, but I'm definitely gonna put some salt in it, even if it doesn't call for it, because let's see. Yeah, it does. It calls for 1/2 teaspoon of salt, Teresa. Okay, so we're adding 2 eggs, 1 at a time, beating between each addition. And then we're gonna add our flour and our milk. We're gonna incorporate, excuse me, I got to wash my hands 1 second. I got that raw egg on them. Maybe sticky. All right. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Because I do like a little salty with my sweet, don't y'all?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. So from here on out, we're gonna do this just like we would if we were making a cake. We're gonna alternate flour and milk, starting with flour and ending with flour. I'm not used to this mixer yet. Okay, here we go. Probably gonna fly all over the place. Okay, y'all, we got our batter to our blueberry muffins, and the recipe just says to gently fold in the blueberries. Well, after spending 50 years in the kitchen, you know, you pick up little things. And to me, thank you, Teresa. To me, I like to toss my blueberries or any kind of fruit I'm doing, if you're doing raisins or whatever, I like to toss them with just a little bit of flour, and that prevents them from going all to the bottom, because you want your blueberries to go all through. So the recipe doesn't tell you to do this. This is just Paula. This is just Paula telling you. So, like I said, I don't want to, I'm going to put these in a colander now, because I don't want to, if I can remember which drawer the colander is in, y'all. Here it is. Here it is, Eddie knows. Okay, so I'm going to come down here to this sink, Eddie, and just shake any excess flour off of them, because I did put a little too much flour, because I don't want so much flour that it's going to alter our recipe, you know. We just want to make sure our blueberries go all through our muffins. That looks like it's got it all, doesn't it? So we're going to gently fold those in. We don't want to beat them up. We want to be kind of gentle with them. And this is going to make 12 regular size muffins.
It's a thick batter, isn't it?
It is a thick batter. I want to try to get those blueberries evenly distributed in there, because I don't want somebody to get a naked muffin. All right, say we don't know where our ice cream scoops are, right, Eddie?
I know where they are.
You do?
I just can't get to them.
Oh, okay. Well, I love using an ice cream scoop because you're gonna get the same size every time, and it's got the little handle, it just scoops it right on out. But we're gonna do it this way, and I'm gonna try to get it right. Okay, so I didn't tell y'all this earlier, but the recipe asks you to hold back 2 teaspoons of your sugar, so that you'll have some extra sugar to sprinkle on your, yeah, it's sugar. Just, you know what, that turbinado sugar would work good in this for the top of your, but I've got this out, so I'm going to use it. Okay, there we go. We're gonna put these in the oven, y'all, at 350, and we're gonna bake them for about 25 to 30 minutes. But just be careful, because all ovens can vary and be different. So, but we're gonna shoot for 25 minutes on ours. Can I tell y'all how many butt shots Gordon Elliott got of me in this oven. I'd say, Gordon, please no butt shots. Please no butt shots. Well, y'all, Nana's blueberry muffins look like they turned out perfect. And you know, I hadn't cooked on this stove in 12 years. So I've got to have it calibrated because Eddie and I both think it's cooking a little on the fast side.
It's
But
cooking at 450 at 350.
at 450 at 350. Yeah, I think something's off. But Teresa has already grabbed a muffin
Yeah, I had the taste test.
and tested it. So I wanna test it, and my decorating buddy is here, Carolyn Haltman, who decorates all of our restaurants, all Paula Deen's family kitchens and all that. So and Carolyn's been out west, so share half of that with me, Carolyn, please.
Oh, I'd love to.
Carolyn has decorated restaurants from Nashville to Panama City to Foley, Alabama,
Branson.
to Missouri. So
We've had a lot of
cheers.
fun together.
Let's see. This is
Nana's Blueberry Muffins.
Yum.
they're delicious, aren't they?
Absolutely.
They're nice and fluffy.
Mm-hmm. Delicious. And I love these with a little sweetened cream cheese. Maybe sweetened with a little
That would
honey.
be good.
Mm-hmm.
These
So
blueberries are really good.
aren't those blueberries beautiful? Look at that. And I told everybody that if they'll dust their blueberries with flour, you know, sometimes they'll all fall to the bottom and all your blueberries will be down there. But if you dust them with flour, Carolyn, it keeps them
Is that the
distributed.
trick?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. And this is just yummy.
I think so too. You want some butter? Let me show you this little bag I found. I'm gonna bring it over here so y'all can see it. When I saw that, I said, that is the truth as sure as I'm standing
That
here.
is so funny.
Read it, Eddie. Can you read it?
Can I read it? Yeah. Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy cows, and cows make milk, and milk makes ice cream, and ice cream makes you happy.
Happy.
Happy. I had to have that. I thought that's the way I think. So enjoy the recipe. Y'all have a great day. And I'll see you on the next round of recipes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.